Welcome to the SUNNYHEAT video tutorials. This tutorial is about the motion sensor. What is the motion sensor? The motion sensor registers movements in the room. It thus determines whether someone is in the room or not. If there is nobody in the room, SUNNYHEAT will lower the set point temperature. If there is someone in the room, SUNNYHEAT switches back to the normal set point temperature. As a result, heating only takes place when it is really necessary. After disconnecting the SUNNYHEAT infrared heater from the power supply, you can plug the motion sensor to the side of the electronics. The long side must point to the on-off switch. After that, the infrared heater can be supplied with power again. Where can I configure the motion sensor? The motion sensor can be configured in the menu under Sensors, Motion Sensor. What is the Activate, Deactivate menu? In the Activate, Deactivate menu, the motion sensor is activated or deactivated. The motion sensor is only active if it has been activated here. The motion sensor can be activated with a tap on Activate and deactivated with a tap on Deactivate. The selected value is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button once takes you back to the previous menu. What is the set point temperature menu? In the set point temperature menu, the set point temperature for the motion sensor is set. If there is no one in the room, the current set point temperature is replaced by this set point temperature. The set point temperature can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. By pressing the confirmation button, the changes are accepted and you return to the previous menu. If you press the back button instead of the confirmation button, you return to the previous menu without saving the changes. What is the delay time menu? The delay time menu is used to set the time after which the set point temperature should change. If there is no one in the room, the motion sensor waits for this delay time to see if there is really no more motion to be registered. Only then SUNNYHEAT replaces the current set point temperature with the set point temperature of the motion sensor. This way, unnecessary temperature fluctuations of the room and thus unnecessary energy losses are avoided. The delay time can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. By pressing the confirmation button, the changes are accepted and you return to the previous menu. If you press the back button instead of the confirmation button, you return to the previous menu without saving the changes. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. If the motion sensor is activated and there is someone in the room, the presence symbol appears on the main display. If there is no one in the room and the delay time has expired, the absence symbol appears on the main display. The set point temperature changes to the set point temperature of the motion sensor. If someone is in the room again, the symbol changes back to the presence symbol and the set point temperature changes back to the normal set point temperature. In this tutorial, the motion sensor was activated, a set point temperature for the motion sensor was entered, and a delay time was set. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about SUNNYHEAT is available at sunnyheat.com.